Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready, along with your baking tools. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent baking temperature from the start. Next, prepare your cake pans. Grease them well with butter or cooking spray, then dust with flour, tapping out any excess. Getting these initial steps right sets you up for success. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, and vegetable oil. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly between your prepared pans and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let your cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes. This helps them firm up before you attempt to remove them. Then, carefully invert them onto a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial. Applying frosting to a warm cake will cause it to melt and slide off. While your cakes cool, prepare your frosting. You can make a homemade buttercream or use a convenient store-bought option. Once cool, apply the frosting evenly for a beautiful finish. Now for the fun part, decorating. Add any finishing touches you like, such as colorful sprinkles, fresh fruit, or elegant chocolate shavings. Your creativity can really shine here. Once decorated, your delicious homemade cake is ready to be sliced and served. Share it with friends and family and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. It's perfect for staying hydrated while you bake or just throughout your day. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.